This video is about how to create a PayPal account. Now on the PayPal website or app, you need to tap this button, sign up for free, then choose to create a personal or a business account. The next thing is to enter your mobile number, then confirm it through a code and then go on to set up your profile. And as you can see, you need to fill in your email address and a name and create a password. And on this next screen, you need to enter your date of birth and the IND or passport number, then add your address and agree to the terms of service to finally create your account. And then before you can start shopping with PayPal or sending or receiving payments, you need to link your credit or debit card or bank. And if you tap this three-line menu, you can go on to explore all these PayPal features. You can also go to settings and edit your profile and verify your email address. In addition, you can make more settings on the security section and on all these other sections. And you can also upgrade your personal account to a business account. And to create another PayPal account, you need first to log out of your existing account, then create a new one with a different mobile number and email address. And to delete your PayPal account, you need to go to settings, then account settings, and tap this button, close your account, and go on to delete your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.